Hi everyone, see this problem here, how to find current I in the given circuit. So whenever omega equal to 10 radians per second, this is the problem. So here voltage is given as 12 volts with phase angle 0 degrees, okay, and here RLC components are there. So in that every component having their impedance are given. So here inductor given as J20 ohms impedance, and here minus J14 ohms impedance and 16 ohms, and here J25 ohms are given. So instead of inductor capacitor values, they are giving in terms of impedances. Now how can you find the overall source current? So first of all, find the overall impedance. So that is, so let's consider that this is Z1 impedance, and this is Z2, and this is Z3, Z4, Z5. Now I want overall impedance, that is ZT equal to, so here Z1, Z2 are in series. So Z1 plus Z2 are in series, that is parallel with Z3. This overall impedance is in series with Z4 and Z5. So Z1 is J25 plus minus J14 in parallel with 16. This overall in series with 4 plus J20. So by using calculator, by simplifying this, we will get 9.135 plus J27.47 ohms. This is overall impedance. But here we want current I. We know that total voltage source equal to total current into overall impedance. So from this we get current I equal to Vs by Zt. So current I equal to, so Vs is given as 12 volts with phase angle 0 degrees upon, and overall impedance, that is 9.135 plus J27.47. So by simplifying this, will get 414.5 with phase angle minus 17.605 degrees. So this is current, and with the phase angle minus 7.605. So in the problem, it was given in cosine form. So current I can be written as in cosine form, that is I equal to Im into cos of omega t plus phi. So here Im we got, that is 414.5 cos of, and omega is given as 10 radians, that is 10t, and phase angle we got minus 17.605. So from the options, option C the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.